Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a few affordable eyeshadow palettes, blushers as well as few highlighters which really work good on my skin, and I've been using them for a while, and these palettes are really good and affordable, and the staying power is good, the colors are beautiful, and the pigmentation is also good. And if you're looking something under 500, you should definitely see this video. And yeah, without any further delay, let me show you those beautiful palettes. Okay, so let's start with the brand Blue Heaven. I have three of the blushes from this brand, and this is 503. It's a beautiful peach shade, you can see, and I'll just show you the hand swatch. It's a beautiful shade, and I think this color will look good on all skin tones, especially fair to light skin tone. You can see the color is so pigmented. The second one is shade number is 504, and this is a beautiful dark pinkish shade, and I think this shade will look good on all skin tones. You can see the swatch here. You have to like rub a bit. I don't know why it's not visible properly on the camera, but it's pretty dark color. It's a beautiful like light purplish pink color, and it will look good on all skin. I really like this color. And the third shade from this brand is 505. This is my favorite, and it's a beautiful goldenish shade, and I really like the color. And I'll just show you the swatch. You can see here. It's a beautiful, it looks a little brownish, but when you apply it, it works as a highlighter also. I really like the overall, it's a proper light matte kind of, not light matte, but it has little shimmer, but I don't know why it's not visible properly on the camera, but it has proper shimmer. I really like these three shades, and I think this one is my best because one of my best because it works as a highlighter also, so it's pretty good. I really like the color, and it stays for long, and it's really affordable. It stays for 125 rupees, which is really good. So you can use these three blushes as blushes, or else you can also use it as a eyeshadow. I really like them, so I really recommend this. At least you can try out these three shades from Blue Heaven. These are for 125 rupees. Okay, the next one is from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is their baked blusher and highlighter, and this is for 349 rupees, and the shade number is 01. And these are the shades. This is dark brown, like a bronzy color. This is light brown. This is light pink, and this is kind of light orangish. I don't know if this is visible on the camera, but it's really beautiful and pigmented shades. I'll just swatch and show you. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this swatch I can show you guys. It's a beautiful shade. I don't know whether it's visible, but these are the 4 shades I'm talking about. I'll again do it 1 second. Okay, pink. This is pink. Then this is light brownish. Light orangish, and this is kind of a bronzy color. You can see here. So these are very pigmented shades, and it really works good on the skin, in the sense it's not very dark or something. It's buildable, and this is really affordable. People who just started doing makeup, it's really good to try on this and practice with these kind of highlighters and blusher. And I really like this shade. You can see it's so pigmented, and you can see the color is so nice. I really like this one. This is 01, and this is Swiss Beauty Baked Blush Highlighter. Okay, the next one is also from the brand Swiss Beauty, and these are highlighter and bronzer, eyeshadow and blusher kind of a palette. You can see this one, and this is for I don't know the price, but the number is 04, and it's really nice, beautiful shade. You have white, you have light brown, pink, orangish, and then bronze for like a dark brown, light brown, and like a goldenish color. It's really beautiful palette, and I really like this palette. It works as a multi palette with eyeshadow, blusher, highlighter, bronzer, and this is really very affordable. And if you are a beginner in makeup, you should have this kind of palette. I really like the colors, and it's very pigmented. I'll just show you this black color first. You can also use it for creating a smoky look. You can see how it looks. It's a nice dark brown black color, and this is light gray. Oh, I can't tell you how lovely the pigmentation is. I don't know if it is clearly visible on the camera. And I'll show you white color also. You can see so beautiful color it is. See, so beautiful. So this is a really affordable palette, and I really recommend this palette to you guys. And this is from Swiss Beauty, and this is their eyeshadow, blusher, highlighter, bronzer in the shade 04. Okay, these are the eyeshadow palette from the brand Swiss Beauty, and I think these are for $250 or something. I have these two palettes, and I really love the colors, guys. It's really very beautiful. You can see this one, it's all natural colors. The palette number is 05, and I really love this. Is my favorite palette from Swiss Beauty. There's so beautiful colors you can see, and it really makes you know, for creating a natural nude kind of eye look, it's really beautiful. It also have these three they are like shimmery, light shimmerish, and these one are like proper matte. This light black, this kind of light nude color, and brown and dark brown. These are all proper matte, but these three and this four, beautiful shimmery it will give you a proper satin look, eyeshadow look. I really like this eye palette and eyeshadow palette. I really recommend this eyeshadow palette to all people. And the palette number is 05. And the next one is the palette number is 06, and you can see beautiful shades, guys. I really love this palette. You have orange, you have dark orange, you have this these two are these two are like shimmery, and all the three, this one is red, and this one is light brown, like a rusty color. It's not visible that clearly on the camera, but I really love this palette as well, and I really recommend this palette to everyone. And it's a very affordable, and people who have just started doing makeup, this is really good palette for them to try, and it's affordable. Even college going girls can try out this palette. It's a really cool palette. I really love the colors, and the pigment is really pigmented, and also the staying power is not bad. It stays for long. I really recommend this kind of palette to everyone. Okay, the last one which I'm gonna show you, this is from the brand LA Colors, and this is their blush, and this is Rad Rouge blush, and the color is Flip Side. It's a beautiful brown, nude brownish color, and this is a beautiful color. I really like the color. I'll just show you the color. Here you can see it's a beautiful light brownish color, and I think this color will look good on all skin tones. It's a beautiful blush. I really like the blush. It doesn't get into the pores, and it comes with a brush like this, which I hardly use. I use my own. It also has a mirror, so which is good. You can just carry it in your handbag and you're good to go. This is for around $550 or something, and but always I think always it's on discount, like $375 or something. You get it on a good deal. So yeah, and I really like this blushes and this bronzers and this highlighters, and I really recommend this brand to everyone. Okay, these were the eyeshadow, blusher, and highlighter palettes which I have, which is really affordable, and I really recommend these highlighters and blushers and eyeshadow palette to people who are beginners and who don't want to spend too much of money buying expensive palettes. So I really recommend this palette. They're really affordable, and the staying power is good, the pigmentation is good, and I really like them, and I really recommend this to everyone whoever wants to try out this brand. It's really good. Swiss Beauty, Blue Heaven, and LA Colors. These are the three affordable brands which I have right now, which I'm using on daily basis whenever I'm going out or just for a normal makeup look. I really like using these palettes. They're really nice, they're pigmented, the colors are really beautiful, and the staying power is also good. So yeah, so these were a few of my palettes which I have, and I really recommend these palettes to people who are looking for affordable makeup. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and your family. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.